Did you know that once a road is completed, the sides are trimmed with a special blade? The purpose is to keep the road neat and prevent it from spreading unevenly, especially asphalt roads, which tend to expand during hot summers. For road repairs, asphalt or coal tar can still be dug up with a JCB, but concrete roads are a whole different story. Concrete is much stronger, so it must first be broken into smaller pieces using a hammer machine before it can be removed. This process makes road work faster, cleaner, and easier to repair. Subscribe to Factora for more crazy facts.